Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So here we are going to start our third chapter in EVS. The name of this chapter is Amazing Animals. In this chapter we will discuss following topics. First, animal interactions, in which we'll see how animals interact in groups with other animals, with humans and with plants. Second topic is honey collection, in which we will see two methods of honey extraction, that is traditional method and modern method of extraction. Third topic is animal adaptation and animals two physical features, that is animal ears and body coverings. Now, what is animal interactions? Different animals live in different surroundings. Their different habits and features help them to survive in their surroundings. According to their needs, each animal interacts differently with their surroundings. Some animals interact with the animals of same kind, some with other kinds, some with humans, and some with plants. Some animals live in groups, some work together, and some need humans and plants to survive. Now, why animals live in groups? Animals that interact with other animals of the same kind and live in groups are called social animals. These animals show social behavior. For example, baby ducks walk with short steps in a straight line. Fish swim in schools. Wolves and dolphins move in packs. Different animals live in groups for different reasons. The reasons we will see in next slide. First, collecting food. Wolves live in groups for hunting. In this way, they can track mammals easily. Elephants, deer, and zebras move in groups in search of food and water. Second, conserving warmth. Some animals sleep together to survive and to get heat from other animals' body, like goats. In Japan, the area which is covered with snow most of the year, Japanese macaws cuddle or hug in group for warmth, that is, to get heat. Third, grooming the young. Baboons, which are a kind of monkeys, spend their entire life close to their families. They groom and take care of younger baboons and build a bond with them. Younger ones get training to live the life. Younger baboons play and enjoy with each other in a group. Fourth, sharing information. Some animals live in groups to exchange important information, like elephants make a long deep sound on the ground using their feet. Peacocks fan their feathers when they have to give warning. Deer flick their tails to warn other deer. Bees dance to inform other bees when they find nectar. Fifth is protection. Animals feel safe in groups. Animals like sheep, fish, and birds move in groups to protect themselves from their predators. Some animals prefer to stay alone, as platypus, orangutan, and red panda. Now, next topic is interactions with other animals. Animals interact with other animals to help each other. For example, cattle egrets, that are small white birds, used to sit on the back of a cow, an ox, or a buffalo. They eat little bugs off its body. In this way, egrets get food and buffalo get its body cleaned. Second example is of plover bird and crocodile. Plover sits inside a crocodile's mouth and pick the tiny bits of food stuck in the crocodile's teeth. The bird gets its food and crocodile gets its teeth cleaned. Now, interactions with humans. Animals interact with humans in many ways. Each animal behaves differently around humans. Dogs, cats, horses, and dolphins are friendly animals. Some animals are very shy in nature and they run away as they fear people, like squirrels, rabbits, rats, and cockroaches. Interaction with plants. Some animals interact with plants also, as bees and butterflies. They attract to flowers due to their bright color and pleasant smell. If we'll talk about butterfly, an adult butterfly depends on the nectar, that is flower juice, for most of its life. They lay their eggs on the leaves of a plant. The baby butterfly that has just come out of the eggs are called caterpillars. Second example is a honeybee. Honeybees suck the nectar from flowers and collect it in honey stomach. When the honey stomach is full, the bees return to the beehive and spit it out in the cells of the hive. Once the cells are full, they are sealed with beeswax. After a few days, this nectar thickens and changes into honey. Our next topic is honey collection. Beekeeping is the maintenance of honeybee colonies in human-made hives to extract honey and beeswax. A place where bees are kept is called apiary. Honey extraction is a process in which honey is removed from honeycombs and collected in its pure liquid form. There are two methods for honey extraction. First one is traditional method. This is the common method of collecting honey by making the bees leave the hive. In this method, people cover their faces and body to protect themselves. A fire is made under the tree where beehives hang. Due to heat, honey bee leave their hives. Second method is modern method of extraction. Beekeepers use a wooden bee box. It has many frames of wood with a plastic or wax mesh. In a bee box, bees create honeycombs on the mesh. To extract honey, beekeepers wear a bee veil and gloves to protect themselves. By blowing smoke, honey bee left the honeycombs. The frames are taken out from the box and honey gets separated from the comb. Animal adaptation. Animals have special physical features that help them to survive in the environment. These are called adaptation. So basically, adaptation means any alteration in the structure or function of an organism by which the organism becomes better fitted to survive. We will see two such features, that is animals' ears and body coverings. First, animal ears. Animal ears can be of different shapes and sizes. Sometimes animals can hear certain sounds that we cannot. Animals like elephants, foxes, rabbits have long ears to stay cool in the hot weather. The fennec fox has big and very sharp ears to keep its body cool. Polar bears and rats have very small ears. Birds also have ears but that are hidden with feathers. Snakes do not have external ears but they sense vibration on the ground. Second, body coverings of animals. Different animals have different body coverings. Some have hair, some have scales, and some have feathers. Mammals have hair on their bodies. The animals who live in cold regions have thick fur on their bodies. to keep them warm, as sheep, yak, and polar bear. Crocodiles, snakes, and fish have scales because they have to live in water. Hedgehog and porcupine have spikes on their body to protect from predators. Birds have feathers. Some animals have body coverings by which they blend with their surroundings. It is called camouflage. Animals like chameleons, stick insects, and Indian oak leaf butterflies show camouflage. So, children, in this lesson, you have learned that how animals interact with each other, about honey collection, and how their physical features help them to adapt their surroundings. Don't forget to learn difficult words of this lesson. Thank you.